this roast chicken though. Tell me how I did with this roast chicken right here. Today I'm making roast chicken, and here's my chicken that I have here, and I'm going to get this seasoned up properly before I place it in the oven. So let's go. So guys, I've washed my chicken properly, as you can see here, with lime, and I've drained it off. Now what I'm just gonna mix up some seasoning to season this properly. Then we're gonna put this in the oven. Well, I'll bet you. Just gonna move this line from here. I'm also gonna cut out the back part of the chicken, guys. You know, you can use a kitchen shear to do this, scissors. So guys, here's the chicken. As you can see, I've opened the chicken. So now I'm gonna make some lovely seasoning to use on this. So guys, as you can see here, I have a few crushed peppers there. I'm making a lovely season to go with this. I'm using some dry basil, chicken season up Maggi, and that's from Maggi, paprika, jerk season, I have some blended season, and this is has everything in it, like, you know, ginger, hot pepper, bell peppers, tomatoes, onions, every little thing that you can think of is in this blended season right here. So guys, to that I'm going to add a little coloring. So I'm going to use some browning, a little bit of browning. As you know, you can use soy sauce, but I'm not going to use any soy sauce. I'm just going to use a little bit of browning, just a little. Also to that, I'm just going to put a little bit of ketchup, just a little bit. And this is just like some diluted ketchup. Guys, I'm just going to combine all these together. I'm going to use it to pour all over this lovely chicken that I'm about to roast. Guys, you should smell this right now. You should really smell this. This is smelling so good. I'm going to get this in from front to back, you know.
Watching the ocean with you, baby, up with a slow motion crew, and we up in our cloudlands when people change, but not us, and we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun, could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey, and I don't need to speak a single word. You got me holding
place it into a baking tray, and I'm going to put this in the oven, which is preheated. Look how nice this is. This is well marinated and lovely. This is well marinated and seasoned up. Now I'm just gonna go over to the oven. So guys, there it is, and I'm just gonna leave it there and let it bake, let it roast. I'm just gonna leave it there and let it roast. I'll come back and show you when I'm doing other stuff to this. Lovely roast chicken, and guys, this is like almost done enough. But what I'm gonna do now, I'm going to make some sauce to pour over this. But look at it, guys. Look at this, juicy and nice. Guys, I've been eating off this part. Oh my god, it tastes so good. Tastes so good. Look at this. This is really nice. It tastes so good. Look at this, guys. Look at this juicy chicken right here. Oh my god. Can't wait to dive in. So now I'm gonna just pour some sauce over this. I'm gonna show you what I'm doing. So guys, here is a lovely vegetable that I've cut up. I'm gonna pour that over my chicken so it can get some more flavor. And also I'm gonna pour some diluted ketchup in there so we can have some nice gravy to go over. Look at that, guys. Look at that. That's lovely stuff right here. So guys, that's a lovely gravy, and I'm just gonna pour that over my chicken. Oh, that's good. So guys, here's the lovely gravy. Here it is. I'm just gonna pour this over. I'm gonna pour it all over. This is my lovely roast chicken.
And I've been chillin', watching the ocean with you. Baby, up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our cloudlands when people change, but not us.
And I'm gonna put this in the oven for maybe another 20 minutes. So the chicken can get all these lovely flavor. Look at this, guys. Look all about in this baking tray right now. Just look all around in there, and you will see all the goodness, all the niceness on this roast chicken. Look at this, guys. Lovely, juicy and nice roast chicken. And this is a lovely Father's Day meal, guys. This is a lovely Father's Day meal. So I'm just gonna put this back in. To tell somebody about Miss Brown, tell them what I'm doing over here. Look at this roast chicken though. Tell me how I did with this roast chicken right here. This roast chicken is looking so delicious and juicy and nice to me. What do you think? And you should really smell this right now. Tell somebody about Miss Brown. Tell them what I'm doing over here. Invite them to come over, because any audience can watch my videos. So do the right thing, guys. Thank you.